Yo, what's up guys, it's your girl Gigi Lemon. So excited because this is my first tutorial, guys. First tutorial ever, and I'm out here with Uwinshair at Uwinshair. Guys, they have hit social media like a storm. They're on fire and they're doing exceptionally well when it comes to the hair fraternity, and I'm really excited because they brought me a gift today and I hope it's what I fathomed it to be. So I literally told them that I'm super keen on waves right now, and anything that will make me still look young and, you know, sassy and just like, yeah, the girl, man, like it's 2020, you know. So struggling to open. Wow, Christmas really does come twice, guys. It really does come twice in my world. For anyone who's watching this, at Gigi_Lemay, female hip-hop artist extraordinaire, the gal. Oh wow, and look, I literally came prepared. I have my own stocking on here, but shout out to Uwins. They made sure we have the deluxe wig cap. And of course, we have our little wig starter pack. Shout out to you guys. I love the packaging, guys. And just so everyone knows, as soon as you order from them, this is exactly what your starter pack looks like. So it's not just for, you know, somebody who's doing tutorials with you guys. Literally, everybody gets to feel this special. So shout out to you, because I know a lot of people don't go over and above for something like this. Okay. I hope you guys are enjoying the outdoor because wow, I'm very within for the outdoor vibes. This basically is your strap and you use it to adjust, but because I've got a like really tiny head most of the time, yeah, really tiny but not really that tiny, I don't have to use this most of the time. But what happens is if you're struggling and you need your reach to get in a bit like and become a bit smaller, you'd use this at the end, at the back, just to make it a little tighter and for it to come in a little more. So you've got the strap, you've got the wig cap, you've obviously got your nice little comb, which is going to help you sort of like, baby hairs and I'm not really big on it unless I absolutely have to do that, right? And we've obviously got our pins to help them stay intact if you just need those, and a few clippers so that it's easier to like separate the hair where you need to separate them. Shout out to Uwins. I love how the pack is like super concise and obviously a girl's best friend because wow, we need to tweak all those baby hairs out that we don't need. All right, my go-to glue has to be the got to be glue. Guys, this is super efficient. I like the fact that it is non-sticky, no flakes, like none of that drying ratchetry that usually happens with a lot of these other things. So this for me is like the go-to glue. It's called Got to Be. Yeah, and it's really worth it for the pricing that it is. I think it's around like $400 bucks. 450 is what I got it for, and yeah, like I love it and I've had it for like ages. Okay, and yeah, obviously my little tray that I can work from. Shout out to you, but the baby we have all been waiting for, weighing in at 350 pounds in this packet. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited and I already love the texture of the hair. Shout out again for the packaging. I think that's extremely important when you're selling a product. And shout out because Uwins already puts in their own custom, like their own standardized, what I say, strap, right? So this is just an extra for you if you need it. All right, and I like the fact that the cap is already done, and I've got my little mirror here because girls just love to look at themselves when they get pretty, right? And we're working with this. I already love the flare, I love the texture, guys. It's always important to like Google what is good for, you know, people come up with all sorts of things like, oh, put these kind of oils on there, but I've noticed that like literally just like spraying water, just a little bit of silicone depending on what kind of texture of the hair is, it absolutely works. Okay, obviously I've set everything out here. I am now going to use the glue. It's important that you use the glue, obviously when you're like
you can get Tanzania, you can cover to Tanzania, spice it again, Rosary, okay, Costa Rica, God, original, English music, Alambachi, 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 Alambachi. Follow, we are using that.
ulipotokea. Leo kikojozi kanikojolea. Ai 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 ai. Ili shamba lako mwagia mbolea. Ukiwa mjinga watakulimia. Alambachi, 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 alambachi. Follow uyangisinga, nisize deni, nalenga iminga. Follow uyangisinga, nisize deni, nalenga iminga.
Quarter. Riding on your horse or a roller coaster. Got that small team tight, make you pop like toasters on that KT. Let it get hella stroker. Thursday to Friday, I pop like champagne. And it's that day to Sunday, I see you jump out. And I'm spending all my money, I won't put that face down, deep down, like down to rocky.
Alambachi, 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 alambachi.
Follow uyangisinga, nisize deni, nalenga iminga. Follow uyangisinga, nisize deni, nalenga iminga. So I usually say, depending on how long your glue takes, but a few minutes, I'd like say 10 to 20 minutes. You basically wait out for it.
Konyumira wa gulu, emikono wa gulu, konyumira wa gulu.
Alright, and your 20 minutes is up. It's up. Looking smashing, looking nice, looking clean. It's amazing what hair can do for you guys. So shout out to Uwinshair. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for the re-up. And I hope everybody enjoyed my tutorial. I wish I could rap for you, but it's just not one of those days. But I hope I look pretty for you guys. Shout out to you guys.